Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. In case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So firstly, what you'll have to do is to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Motorola logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option wipe data factory reset, then select an option factory data reset, and when you see the message data wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now and device will be restarted. Just as usual, not as usual, it will be restarted like in about a minute or maybe even 2. So yeah. And as you can see, it's all done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.